Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scooby-Doo, and we have mail. This is what I was waiting for the other day in the mail when I got half of these and half I didn't. So let's unbox this. If I can get into it. It's taped like crazy. So we're gonna take this knife and see if we can get into it. Hopefully, without cutting my arm off. And that doesn't look easy right now. They taped everywhere. How is it so easy for all of you guys to get into your packages? Ugh. All right, I think that'll open it. And of course, now we're upside down, I bet. And no, we gotta keep slicing this. All right. Somebody told me this is the fun part about unboxing. I think that's, is it the anticipation to see if I chop off an arm? That's very possible. Not this time. Okay, this was pretty interesting because it didn't come the other day with the rest. See, we have one little box here. And I haven't put up the rest of what I got. So I'll probably throw this all together. But I got this on 50% off sale, and I know it was really expensive at one time, and I got it for $24, I believe. So I am okay with this price. I have hardly bought any Pandora this year at all, but I did have some on my wish list that I was waiting to come up, and most of it was sold out, but this happened to be there. So I'm pretty thrilled about this. And for once, I do have this cute little stick, so that will help. This is so cute. It's a little treasure chest, and I'm going to be able to reach over and get the bracelet this is intended for, if I can open it, and hopefully I open it properly without wrecking it. Maybe it's got to be unhooked to be opened. But it says something really sweet inside. And I really want to see that. If we can see it. Let me see if I can get close enough without a shadow to be able to see it. Oh, it's very tough, isn't it? And I'm not getting the right picture. Wow, it's really hard to see. So, let me see if I can zoom in some more. That's about as much as I can zoom in, I think. It says something every moment. I think it's treasure every moment. Okay, it's got a beautiful little shell on it. We'll put it back on here. It's done up like a wooden chest. It's got a star, see a star on the side, a shell, some little hearts all the way around. It's got the ALE. See, and I turned it around. I know the club charm was very similar to this. It's got the starfish and the shell, and it opens and says treasure every moment inside. I love that, and I think this is going to be perfect. How far back can I put it that you see it? Right back there. It's going to be perfect for my mermaid bracelet. So I haven't put all this away yet, so help me find it. I think, where are you, my beautiful mermaid bracelet, which is in here? And are you here? Yes, you are. All right. Whereabouts on here are we gonna put this? I'm thinking I'm gonna have to move one of my beautiful princesses to another bracelet, and I think Cinderella's gonna go back to her own bracelet. So we're gonna move Cinderella, Cinderella's coach, and Cinderella's ball right there off. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna put the treasure on because it is, the treasure chest is perfect for Ariel. Don't you think? I think so. So let's do that way. It'll be perfect. I still have all my Christmas bracelets on because I never want Christmas to end. Ever, ever, ever. But we'll always extend Christmas by playing with Disney. I think Disney brings the Christmas spirit around year round. What do you think? I definitely do. That's my fun thing about Pandora, is there is lots and lots of fun Disney that can just make you smile when you really need a smile. So that's what these princesses are for, if you ask me. But I know all of you have different reasons for adoring your Disney princess bracelets. Okay. I'm out of practice doing this, I think. Just stopped and started that again in case I lose stuff. My Cinderella. And I think we'll take it just to here. And if we take this one out, Cinderella out, and her coach, then it'll melt right into perfectly to Ariel's part of this bracelet. And I think that will work for us. What do you think? I think that's going to work. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm stacking these on the right way. I love this little seahorse. He's super cute. Rather hard to find though. But he swam our way one day, so we just had to get him. Ariel's crown. I think I need to put, as Haley puts it, the glub glub fish in first. I love it when she calls that one that. All right, we're almost there. That's probably going to give us extra room on this bracelet, I would say, since I took out 3 and added 1, but it was one large one. Okay, what do you think? I think the treasure chest goes perfectly there. Was I right? I think so. Ariel upgrade. And Elsa and Tink are still on here because I haven't enough of theirs to give them their own bracelet yet. Okay. Thanks for coming and watching me do that unboxing. And we will see you guys soon. I hope you like the treasure chest, and I hope you think it goes nicely with Ariel's side of the bracelet. I think it does. I think it's perfect. Okay, take care. Thank you for coming, and subscribe, and we'll see you back soon. Bye, guys.